Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to use the voice effects on TikTok. So just follow along so you'll be able to do this. Okay, just open your TikTok application on your device and then tap on the plus icon at the bottom corner of the screen. This one. Okay. Now you can upload a video from your gallery or record a new video. Okay, just press this one here. Okay, then right after that, click on the check icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This one. Now, click on this arrow that is facing downward and then click on the voice icon. And finally, you can see the different type of voice effects here. So you can choose the granny voice effects, chipmunk, baritone, or megaphone. So it's up to you. So right after you have decided the voice effects that you wanted to use in your video, you just have to click on the save icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on next. Then post it. So it's up to you if you want to post it publicly or privately. So that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.